Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your game disc does not work on your PlayStation 4. And this could be a relatively simple fix. So if you go to your game disc and you turn around, make sure there's no fingerprints or smudges on your disc. Otherwise, it's going to be unrecognizable by your PlayStation 4. So what you could do now is take a microfiber cleaning cloth. So I got this with my glasses, and this is just a soft little rag here that does not scratch any kind of surfaces that it comes in contact with, so it won't scratch your glasses. Now you might have something like this for cleaning dishes, so you can look around, but it's just a small little rag like this, and then we can clean it. Otherwise, you can take a soft, like maybe a cotton t-shirt if you don't have anything laying around. So like this t-shirt I bought from Walmart, it's super soft, so you could go ahead and try that, and then just clean off any kind of smudges. Otherwise, what you could do is take some toothpaste and rub it on the disc, and then just clean it off with water to remove any kind of smudges. Once you go ahead and remove the smudges, your PlayStation 4 should be able to recognize it. Now, if you have it horizontal and you insert your game disc and it doesn't work, what you can try is flipping your PlayStation 4 vertical like this, and then placing in your game disc. So let's place it in like this. Sometimes just flipping it to a different direction can help it read your disc. But the most important thing is to clean your disc properly, so you can remove any kind of smudges so it can be read. So here's Battlefield 4. I can easily start this up now. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.